Welcome back to EB Designs. It is so nice of you to join me again today, and I am pumped to be in the wood shop. I'm excited. So, you can hunt rabbits, but you need a weapon, and chucking rocks isn't very effective, and it's not very fun. So today, we are going to make a slingshot. So much fun to make, and extremely fun to use. So let's get to it. So a while back, we had cut down some trees, and we saved these little Ys from in the branches. They're extremely nice for making slingshots because the grain is already running the direction you need to, so it makes it tough. Get in here with the sander. Too bad I can't. I know I should use files on everything, but I have the tools, why not? I'm not spinning the wheel of misfortune this time. Don't need to do it with an axe. By the way, if you haven't watched that video, you might want to go watch it. I don't know what yours looks like, but mine's looking pretty good. I got it about roughed out with the sander, and now I'm going to get my little Dremel out, fine tune it a little bit, put some character to it. We'll be ready to roll here soon. Days where you feel like doing a whole lot of nothing? Yeah, that's me today. But I have gotten it all roughed out, and I'm going to use my Dremel and get some of those rough edges off, and we are going to be ready to put a finish on this thing, put some bands on it, and we're going to shoot some things. My slingshot is varnished and looks good. Now we're ready to put the bands on. For the bands, I am using workout bands. We picked these things up a while back for slingshots. They work really well. It's really wide. It's got a whole roll of it. Any workout, if you go to a sports store, any like stretchy workout band will work. But if you don't want that, you can just pick up a regular old slingshot band and put that on too. Either one will work. This one's just a lot tougher. It's going to be more fun. And bullets are going to fly faster. So let's get cutting, put these things on. Alright, take your scissors, cut out yourself some small little strips. Alrighty now. Divide this up into 4 little strips. 1/4, 2 1/2, 3/4. way it don't come undone. Get it. Come without ripping. Nice. Hopefully it's stuck too fast. Snip this hunky thing off. That's one side done. One side. Now, put your next side on. Make sure these bands get even. If it's not even, stones are going to fly to the one side. So kind of, well, make sure you get it even. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a slingshot made. Woo! Let's go shoot something. This is awesome! So I have two different size ball bearings. This one came from a garage door roller, and I'm not sure where this one came from, but we're going to shoot at that old garage door, and we'll see if any of them go in, or go, yeah, see if they penetrate. Let's go look at the damage. The small one hit right here. Just made a nice dent. Did not go in. Here's where the big one hit this time, and the little one hit right here. So, big one, little one. Neither of them went through. That big one almost did. Bet you if I'd pull it back harder, it would go through. Let's see just how good of aim we have now. I'm not a very good shot, but we're gonna see if I can hit them little cans off that board. It's close. Can shoot marbles too. Oh, got one! I'm outside back my house, hunting rabbits with my slingshot. Let's see if we can find one. Whoa, 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 whoa. I see one. He's right over there. Let's get him. Yeah, I got him. I got him. Yeah, isn't that a beauty? He is massive. Check him out. Look at this giant cottontail rabbit. Wow, look at the ears on that thing. Isn't he ginormous? Just look at this guy. Thanks for watching eBay Designs. So good to have you. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.